Hello everyone, friends. I was on a call. Today I'll show you what to do if your calls go straight to voicemail on your iPhone. First, make sure you don't have focus mode turned on. If it's enabled, turn it off or turn off sleep mode. Next, in settings you might have silent mode enabled. Silent mode, silent mode. So, turn it off. You can see silent mode at the top. You can also turn it off with the button on the left if that doesn't help. If that doesn't work, you need to disable auto answer. To do this, go to search and type in auto answer calls. This line should be disabled. You also need to disable calls on other devices. To do this, go to settings and calls. Calls. Allow calls on other devices. Try disabling this option too. This might also help. If none of that works, there are only two options left. You might need to update your system. To do this, go to General Software Update and update the system if updates are available. Or try restarting your phone, that might help too. Bye everyone.